Gukesh's game.
Oh, Gukesh, yes.
One
Did he
moment,
make a
can you
move?
show that? In the meantime, I cannot miss this comment by Gecko Ball, who says Amrita ji's jokes heals the world. Let's nominate her for the Nobel Peace Prize.
भाषण कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
Yeah, if you take me to Trump, I'm definitely gonna calm him with the jokes.
Really? Amrita is... Guys, don't praise Amrita's jokes too much because then she thinks that they are really good jokes.
Which would be the most unbiased animal, Mikhil, as our chief arbiter in the animals chess tournament on ground?
Sorry, I don't follow this question.
That's a good answer. I like it.
I'm gonna repeat because I am a persistent person. So so there's a chess tournament happening in jungles. Okay, so which would be the most unbiased animal? Who would be the chief arbiter? So
The chief arbiter.
yeah, most unbiased animal.
I was
10
hoping
seconds. It's very easy. Sire, you also have to think.
Yes, I'm thinking.
I was hoping you were gonna ask me who was gonna win the tournament in the jungle, which is much easier to answer. But
Who would win, by the way, according to you?
the tiger from Madras.
That's the cool Anand Files, obviously. That should be the answer. Yeah, and the arbiter would be, in that case, zebra.
Oh, why?
Black and white stripes, so there's no, he's very, very kind of,
Is equal to both.
yes.
क्या सोच है रे तेरी? मानना पड़ेगा.
It's not a joke, but it's just a witty question.
There was no wit in it, though, but it was nice. I'll give you an analogy to explain. Suppose this is your love life, okay? These pawns are your love, and this is your career. So the thing is, you want to have
Which is
love
your
in
love?
life.
E5
These
pawn?
two pawns
Acha.
as white. Cool. So you want to go towards the love, right? But if you go too much towards the love, then it's... So first you have to be like, okay, I respect the love, give space. I will focus on my career. I want to. So then love will be like, I'm running. Once the love starts to run, here, then you are like, okay, now I'm coming towards the love.
तो करियर का क्या करें?
तो करियर का काम हो गया है उतने देर तक जहां लव कैन गेट स्पेस.
बन गया है.
Love is happy now, so now we'll meet. So you have to guys remember love and career, work-life balance, guys. Have work-life balance.
Soumya, are you okay? Did it make any sense? Do you have any reputation as a lawyer?
थोड़ा सर के ऊपर ही गया है, just like the lines we have seen so far in this endgame. But thank you, Sagar, for that great advice. मैं बिल्कुल याद नहीं रखूंगी.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, एनालॉजी नहीं.
या चैट में बोल रहे आप एनालॉजी समझिए. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस
नहीं, लव को भी रखना है लाइफ में और करियर को भी, दोनों तरफ से. सडनली वो भागेगा तो उसके पीछे जाओ, नहीं तो इधर रहो. डोंट गो टू सून. इफ यू गो आफ्टर एट द रॉन्ग, टाइमिंग इज एवरीथिंग.
ओके.
कहाँ जा रही हो तुम? देखो, नाउ आई वोंट गो देयर, आई विल स्टे हियर. If I go now, then she will be like, why are you coming? But if I go after 1 minute, क्या तुम किधर जा रही हो?
मैं वही देख रही थी, बैलेंसिंग और नॉट.
देखा, वापस आ गई ना. See, this is the point, guys. If I would have gone, she would be like, क्या तुम आ गए वगैरह. King D.